I love water and I love the sea. I love Puerto Galera, but it takes at least 3 hours to get there from Manila. But not today. My journey begins with an Airtrav seaplane. Airtrav flies to Puerto Galera and Coron, and it only takes 30 minutes to get to Puerto Galera. The safety demo took place outside the plane, explained by the pilot, performed by the co-pilot. I sat in the front seat, right behind the cockpit. It was a window seat and also an aisle seat. This was just the beginning, and it was already awesome. Taxiing and takeoff now has a new meaning. Airtrav's cruising altitude affords us a great view of the landscape and route to our destination. This was the first time I saw Puerto Galera's cluster of islands where old galleons used to seek refuge from storms. Passing by these unoccupied islands with white sand beaches made the landing more exciting. And this is our airport. We got here in less than 30 minutes and we were delivered right in front of our resort, Friday's Puerto Galera. Airtrav made me feel like a prince. My room was big enough for 20 people with a terrace view straight out of a travel magazine. Nothing to hear but the wind and the sea. Puerto Galera's beach is always crowded with people and boats. This was not the Puerto Galera that I knew. It was like having my own private island. Exploring the whole place made me so hungry. So, I headed for the restaurant. The food they served complimented the place. This is just perfect. Travel like a prince, dine like a prince. The bathroom alone is bigger than most rooms in White Beach. This place recharges me. Darkness covered the view for us to focus on our dinner. Nighttime in Fridays are extremely quiet. Crickets sing to the rhythm of the waves and the humming of the wind. Today, I had to wake up early to greet the sun. Thank him for it has shown me the beauty of this paradise. As the sky changes hue, gentle winds pushes the water and a passing sailboat. The water multiplies the beauty of the sunrise. Morning walks should all be like this. I couldn't believe I'm leaving this place so soon. I have to say goodbye to paradise. It wasn't hard to say goodbye when you got Airtrav Seaplane waiting where the sun greeted me earlier, waiting to take me away. Have you ever entered the airport, checked in, and boarded the plane in less than 30 minutes? This trip gave me a better appreciation of Puerto Galera. Airtrav is just amazing.